Hi, and thanks for checking out this video. It's part of the travel vlog that my wife and I collaborate on, and coming up is a dashcam video, and in it, Wendy's going to tell you about one of our favorite places to visit not far from New York City.
Looking for a charming escape? A new Canaan, Connecticut day trip from New York City is a must for lovers of small-town charm combined with modern design. This travel dashcam video we took as we drove around highlights some of the town's best features, from iconic architecture in New Canaan to the vibrant New Canaan downtown experience, filled with boutique shops and cafes. Stroll along Elm Street on a self-guided New Canaan walking tour, soaking in historic charm and discovering what to see in this delightful small town. Foodies will love exploring the best restaurants in New Canaan, serving everything from farm-to-table dishes to gourmet Italian fare. With plenty of things to do in New Canaan, from cultural stops to scenic parks, it's easy to see why visiting New Canaan, Connecticut feels like stepping into a picture-perfect postcard of New England. There's more video you can continue to watch. As you do, let me tell you there are hundreds more travel videos on our travel vlog, and I hope you'll take a look at some of them. I'd also want to invite you to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified when we upload something new. Thanks for watching, and again, there's a lot of video left to see.